In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to multiple Gmail accounts on your PC or laptop in 2026, step by step. This is a super useful trick if you use one Gmail for work, another for personal messages, or even multiple accounts for different projects. Instead of signing out every time, you can stay signed in to all of them and switch between them in just a couple of clicks. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once Gmail loads, sign into your first Gmail account as usual. Enter your email address, click Next, type in your password, and click Next again if needed. After you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the Gmail window and click on your profile picture. This opens the account menu. From here, you'll see an option that says Add another account. Click that option and Gmail will take you to the sign-in page for another account. Now enter the second Gmail address you want to add, then click Next. After that, type in the password for that account and click Next again. If Google asks for verification, complete that step as well. Once the account is added, you'll be able to stay signed in to both accounts at the same time. If you want to add more Gmail accounts, just repeat the same process. Click your profile picture again, choose Add another account, then sign in with the next Gmail address and password. You can keep doing this for as many accounts as you need, which makes managing multiple inboxes much easier on one computer. Now let's talk about how to switch between the accounts once they're all connected. Just click your profile picture in the top right corner again, and you'll see a list of all the Gmail accounts currently signed in. Simply click the Gmail account you want to use, and Gmail will instantly switch you to that inbox. No logging out, no re-entering passwords, and no extra hassle. This is especially helpful if you need to quickly check messages from different accounts throughout the day. A few quick tips here. Make sure you remember which account you're adding each time, especially if you have similar email addresses. If you're on a shared computer, always log out when you're done for privacy. And if Gmail ever prompts you with security checks, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. That's it. You now know how to log in multiple Gmail accounts on PC or laptop and switch between them whenever you want. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple guides, helpful tech tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.